Still struggling to haul heavy loads up and down stairs? Before you buy a stair climbing cart in 2026, watch this first. Because the right cart can save your back, reduce effort, and make transporting heavy items easier than ever.
Number 1. UpCart Deluxe Bag Combo. Carrying groceries or heavy loads upstairs just got easier. The UpCart Deluxe Bag Combo features a stair climbing tri-wheel design paired with a spacious, removable, heavy-duty storage bag. Engineered for convenience, its rotating wheel system smoothly handles stairs and uneven surfaces, reducing strain on your back while helping you transport heavy items more efficiently and safely. The included deluxe bag offers large capacity, durable fabric, and easy attachment, making it perfect for groceries, laundry, or everyday hauling with added protection for your items. Built with a sturdy frame and practical design, this cart delivers long-term durability and usability, making it a smart investment for anyone needing reliable, everyday transport assistance. Taking groceries upstairs without struggling? Yeah, this cart just made everyday life way easier. Number 2. Stair Climber Mighty Max. Looking for a smarter way to move heavy items without the strain? Today, we're checking out a powerful stair climbing solution designed to make lifting safer, easier, and far more efficient. The Stair Climber Mighty Max features a durable frame with tri-wheel design, allowing smooth movement over stairs, curbs, and uneven surfaces while supporting heavy loads with better balance and control. It also includes an adjustable handle and foldable design, making it convenient for storage and comfortable for users of different heights during everyday use, like groceries, boxes, or equipment. With its sturdy construction and ergonomic handling, this tool reduces physical strain, improves safety, and delivers reliable performance for long-term use in homes, warehouses, or delivery work. If you want to upgrade your daily lifting game and save your back from unnecessary stress, this is definitely worth checking out for smarter, safer transportation. Number 3. Trolley Dolly Moroccan Tile. Tired of carrying heavy groceries or laundry bags by hand? Let's take a look at a stylish, practical solution designed to make everyday hauling easier and way more comfortable. The Trolley Dolly Moroccan Tile features a lightweight foldable cart paired with a durable removable bag designed to carry groceries, laundry, or supplies while rolling smoothly on multiple surfaces. It includes stair climbing wheels, a spacious weather-resistant bag, and multiple compartments, giving you added convenience for shopping trips, travel, or daily errands without extra strain or hassle. Built for convenience and durability, this cart reduces lifting effort, protects your belongings, and offers long-term usability, making it a dependable choice for seniors, commuters, or anyone handling regular loads. Okay, this is a total game changer. Groceries, stairs, and style all handled in one smooth ride. Number 4. Mesete Enhanced Cart. Carrying heavy groceries or bulky items doesn't have to be a struggle anymore. Today, we're looking at a smart, practical cart designed to make everyday transport smoother and stress-free. The Mesete Enhanced Cart features a sturdy metal frame with high load capacity, smooth rolling wheels, and a foldable design, making it easy to transport groceries, boxes, or supplies with stability and control. It also includes an adjustable handle and compact folding system, allowing easy storage in tight spaces while giving users better comfort and flexibility during daily errands or travel use. Designed for durability and convenience, this cart helps reduce physical strain, improves efficiency, and offers long-lasting reliability, making it a solid choice for frequent use at home or on the go. If you want a dependable and easy way to move heavy loads without the hassle, this cart is definitely worth considering for your everyday routine. Number 5. CT420SC Electric Heavy Duty. Moving heavy loads upstairs or across tough surfaces can be exhausting. But today, we're looking at a powerful electric solution built to handle demanding lifting jobs with ease. The CT420SC Electric Heavy Duty features a motorized stair climbing system with strong load capacity, designed to transport heavy items like appliances or boxes while maintaining stability and controlled movement. It also includes ergonomic controls, a rechargeable battery system, and a durable frame, making it easier to operate while reducing manual effort during deliveries, warehouse work, or home use. Built for efficiency and safety, this electric cart minimizes physical strain, improves productivity, and offers reliable performance over time,
making it a valuable investment for professionals handling frequent heavy loads. This thing is basically a powered lifting machine. Stairs and heavy loads just became way easier to handle.
One good stair climbing cart can save you hundreds of exhausting trips up and down the stairs. If one of these caught your eye, check the link below and grab yours today.